Let's practice English from the newspaper. Current news you see right now. I'm using the Daily Star. Repairs to metro rail will cost public funds in absence of insurance. As Mirpur 10 Kazipara railway stations, metro rail stations have been damaged by miscreants, now the government needs to go for repairs, and this cost will not be given by the insurance company because this metro rail has not been under insurance. So public funds will be used to repay the repair bills. Here you see metro operations won't resume to Saturday. Day after tomorrow resume means start again. So metro operations won't start again on Saturday because of incomplete repairs. The Nazmul in favor of resigning. You see, Nazmul, Bangladesh Cricket Board President Nazmul Hassan, he wants to resign. He wants to step down. Step down means resign. 3 more invited to take oath as advisors. You see, 17 have already taken oath, and now 3 more will be also included as advisors. So 3 more invited to take oath as advisors. So SOI is fine, ACR is also no problem. Interim government will have BNP support as long as it backs democracy. If interim government helps democracy, prevails democracy, backs democracy, BNP will support. That's what they pledge, that's what they vow, that's what they have said. President, that is Shahabuddin, you understand, President Mohammad Shahabuddin, he has already accepted 16 public universities vice chancellors resignations. Vice chancellor. Ongoing gas shortage to go on for at least 2 weeks. So ongoing. Something is going on. Ongoing is noun, and something is going on, that is verb. So ongoing gas shortage to go on for at least 2 weeks. So gas shortage is going on in Bangladesh, and it will continue for 2 more weeks or even more. Not less than 2 weeks, but more than 2 weeks. Man has been stabbed to death in Hobigons. Man shot dead, man shot to death, man stabbed to death, man has been killed. Right, so by beating, by stabbing, man has been killed by beating, by stabbing. Man is stabbed to death in Hobigons. A man was killed and his daughter-in-law injured. So the man who was stabbed has died. His daughter-in-law has been injured. Yeah, banks asked to freeze accounts of Shimul Islam Shimul family members. So Shopikul Islam Shimul and family members' bank accounts have been frozen. It means they can't take money out of those accounts. You have a bank account, you have money in it, you can go to the bank and can get money. But Shimul and his family members cannot. More advisors to be sworn in tomorrow. Student protest UN team to visit Bangladesh next week to probe killing. So it's something very important. As the students' protest took place, a lot of casualties, a lot of deaths, a lot of damages, all these things need to be supervised, need to be visited by UN team, United Nations team. The 4 arrested after Spanish team star Yamal's father is stabbed. Very, very unfortunate. Spanish teen star Yamal, his father has been dead, has been stabbed, and as his father has been stabbed, 4 have been arrested. 4 arrested means 4 persons have been arrested. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.